imagine. You are the richest woman in the world. 47 billion in the bank. Homes on every continent. You have everything. But the doctor said you have 7 days left. Monday. First decision. Call the best doctors on earth. $500 million spent. Specialists flew in from 3 continents. Money found the doctors, but not the cure. They said there's an experimental clinic in the Seychelles. I went. Dr. Reeves looked at me and said, "Let me be honest with you. Money has no power here." That night, I cried for the first time. Alone. Tuesday. I went back to my mother's house for the first time in years. In this room, I once had nothing, but I had everyone. My niece Layla, I hadn't seen her in 2 years. Work kept me away. My friend from university, 15 years. I didn't know how much I missed her. 200 gifts arrived that evening. Only one letter made me cry, from my old neighbor. Wednesday, I didn't send a check. I went myself, with my own hands. No amount of money could have bought this feeling. Thursday morning, for the first time, I simply breathed. For the first time in my life, I wrote down what I truly needed. Not things. People. I said sorry to many people. Most of them cried. So did I. My mother taught me how to cook. For the first time, at age 40. Friday afternoon. 1 day left. I gathered everyone. They didn't know why. I didn't tell them. That city was mine. Every light down there. But it never truly belonged to me. I wrote through the night. Not who gets the money, who I love. Saturday morning. The last day. I welcomed it not with wealth, but with tea. I planted one small seed. I may never see it grow, but it will. Layla held my hand and said, "Auntie, you're the greatest person I know." I broke down. I went to the hospital. Not for myself. I read to a lonely old man. The last dinner. I didn't prepare anything. I simply sat. And it was enough. Money could not save me, but it taught me how to live in the last week.